Imagine if you held a magic wand that could reshape your world, change your health, enhance your happiness, and even attract prosperity. What if I told you that you already possess this power? It is not in your hands, though, it is in your mind. You just need to learn how to properly utilize it. In this video, we will look at the issue of the subconscious mind. I'll talk about how you can learn to use its power to effectively start changing your life starting today. We will also use the insights of Joseph Murphy, who has devoted his life to studying this matter. I've also prepared a little bonus at the end that will further help you streamline the whole process. The first thing we need to understand is the duality of our mind. Each of us has been equipped with a conscious and subconscious mind. We use the conscious mind for daily activities such as analysis, logical thinking, making conscious choices, and processing new information. In addition, it makes us aware of our daily activities and our surroundings. All conscious thoughts in our head are its work. However, it is commonly said that up to 90% of our lives are determined by what is in our subconscious mind. It is responsible for storing long-term memories, managing our feelings and emotions, and taking control of habitual and learned behaviors and actions, such as driving. Most importantly, however, it is responsible for the functioning of all the processes that keep us alive, such as breathing, digestion, and heart rate. In addition, based on past experiences, it influences our reactions in the face of certain circumstances. So if someone is, for example, explosive, it may simply be due to their past experiences. So how can we access our subconscious to make changes in it to help us improve our daily lives? According to Murphy, we can use two basic tools for this. The first is affirmations. By constantly and consciously repeating our goals, positive thoughts, and positive beliefs, we imprint them in our subconscious. Affirmations are also often referred to as auto-suggestion, which further emphasizes their nature, as they simply involve suggesting something to ourselves. Thus, we can use our conscious mind to install new beliefs in the subconscious. However, regularity and constant repetition of affirmations is very important. Our current beliefs have managed to become deeply rooted in our subconscious over the years, so it takes time and perseverance to change them. I would also like to draw our attention to how we address ourselves during the day. Let's remember that our subconscious is active all the time. Therefore, pay attention to how your dialogue with yourself is. Do you happen to use phrases towards yourself such as, "I'm stupid," "I'll never succeed," "I've always had a problem with math," or "I'm shy"? All these statements are also affirmations and beliefs that we send to our subconscious. Remember, auto-suggestions are like a double-edged sword that can hurt you very painfully if you don't use it in the right way. Therefore, it is important to be aware and watch our inner dialogue. The second tool Murphy mentions is visualization. According to him, regularly visualizing the desired outcome allows you to embed these images into the subconscious. Keep in mind that our brain does not distinguish between real events and imagined ones. So by visualizing, we let it know that we are already experiencing what we desire, and this will cause us to start attracting more such events into our lives, especially if we reinforce the whole process with strong emotions, which we also manage to maintain for the rest of the day. As Murphy once said, the feeling of health produces health. The feeling of wealth produces wealth. How do you feel? Murphy also advocated the use of a method combining the above two with a prayer. He called it scientific prayer. This process involves quieting the mind, reaching a state of inner stillness, and then using affirmative prayers that align with one's goals. By engaging in this form of prayer, we can directly communicate our desires and intentions to the subconscious mind. For the effectiveness of this method, it is essential to put yourself in a relaxed state at the beginning. Then reinforce affirmations and visualizations through strong emotions, and finally detach from all expectations, as this demonstrates the belief that we have already received. As Jesus said, "And whatever you ask in prayer, you will receive, if you have faith." Finally, I have a bonus for you, which I mentioned at the beginning of the video. According to scientists, most of our beliefs about ourselves come from childhood. This is because until the age of 7, our brains work in theta and alpha states. These states are associated with deep relaxation and heightened receptivity to information. As we age, our brains begin to operate at higher frequencies, thus increasing the role of our conscious mind. However, I have good news for you. Even as adults, we have access to theta and alpha waves. Every day, moments after we wake up, and just before we go to sleep, our brains function at these very frequencies. Therefore, anything you put into your mind during this time will go directly into your subconscious. It is for this reason that using affirmations and visualizations precisely at this time is many times more effective. Try it yourself and watch how your reality changes. If you enjoyed this video, please show some love by leaving like and clicking the subscribe button so you don't miss future videos on manifesting our dream reality. Until next time, take care and let's keep creating together.